Want to create professional AI videos, remove backgrounds, generate B-roll, or turn text into cinematic clips without spending a single rupee? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Runway AI for free, even if you're a complete beginner. Stay until the end because I'll also share a simple trick to get the most value from Runway's free credits. Runway AI is one of the most powerful AI video tools used by creators, freelancers, agencies, startups, and businesses to create high-quality content in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up. Open your browser and search for Runway AI or visit the official Runway website. Click Get Started, then sign up using your Google account or email address. Once you log in, you'll automatically get access to the free plan with limited monthly credits. Step 2. Create a new project. From the dashboard, click New Project. You'll see multiple AI tools like text to video, image to video, background removal, video expansion, AI editing tools. For beginners, start with text to video. Step 3. Generate your video. Type a detailed prompt describing the video you want. For example, a cinematic drone shot of a modern city at sunset with moving traffic and realistic lighting. The more specific your prompt, the better your results. Choose the video style, aspect ratio, and duration. Then click Generate. In a few seconds, Runway AI creates your video automatically. Step 4. Edit and export. Not happy with the result? Use the built-in editing tools to regenerate scenes, extend clips, add effects, or remove unwanted objects. Once you're satisfied, click Export and download your video. Remember, exports on the free plan may include limitations like watermarks or credit restrictions. Bonus tip: here's the secret. Don't waste your free credits on random prompts. Write detailed prompts, generate shorter clips first, and only create longer videos after you're happy with the results. This simple trick can help you create more content without upgrading. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, agency owner, startup founder, or small business owner, Runway AI can save you hours of editing time. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment Runway below if you want more free AI tool tutorials. See you in the next video.